You saw that? Do you still think being a coding ninja is a must to build a successful business? Well, no, because we have entered the era of no code. In this video, I'll tell you about 6 businesses that can be started without you learning to code. I'll also tell you why these businesses will work and what no-code tools you can use to make your life easier. Idea number 1, social media consultant. Let's talk about social media. It's no secret that social media is a powerful tool for businesses. Brands all over the world are using it as a sales platform, and 4 out of 5 social media users have made purchases based on what they see. Can you believe that? So why not become a social media consultant? You just have to gain expertise in different platforms from Facebook to Instagram Reels and offer personalized strategies to businesses to boost their reach and engagement. It's a win-win situation. They'll see the brand awareness soar and your reputation as a social media guru will grow. Idea 2, digital marketing. As you start working as a social media consultant, you might start noticing a trend. Businesses are hungry for even more digital success. They are eager to expand their online presence beyond just social media. So why not offer them a comprehensive marketing experience through your very own digital marketing agency? The world is rapidly moving towards digital and businesses are investing heavily in their online presence. And around 63% of all businesses have increased their digital marketing budget in the last year. This creates a fantastic opportunity for you to start your own digital marketing agency. You can provide a comprehensive marketing experience for brands looking to thrive in digital landscape. Whether you are a solopreneur or building a dream team with diverse expertise, showing successful campaigns and case studies will be a key to attracting clients. As you reflect on your journey, you realize that your transition from a social media consultant to a digital marketing powerhouse was not only seamless but also an organic evolution of your expertise. You started by conquering one aspect of the digital world and now you're dominating the entire landscape with your comprehensive approach. Idea number 3, virtual assistant agency. Remote work has become the new norm since the pandemic. Entrepreneurs need help juggling multiple tasks, and that's where you come in. Starting a virtual assistant agency could be a gateway to success. Build a team of multi-talented individuals, showcase your team's awesomeness, and offer virtual assistant services to entrepreneurs seeking efficiency and cost savings. With virtual assistants saving businesses up to 78% in operating costs, this is a win-win situation for you and your client. Idea 4, imagine getting a personalized gift every month for yourself. Sounds fantastic, right? Well, this is what this business idea is about. Subscription box services. You can impress customers with monthly surprises like hand-picked books or book-related goodies for book lovers. It totally depends on your theme. Basically, you create personalized experiences to build a loyal customer base. The global subscription box market was valued at $26.9 billion in 2022 alone. So capitalize on this and build it. Here's how you can do it. First, you need to choose a theme like beauty products, gourmet snacks, or pet supplies. Now, curate exceptional products after researching and picking high quality, trending items. Now choose the subscription model. You can offer monthly or yearly plans at good prices. Set up a website for managing everything using no-code tools. Finally, design attractive packaging with your brand logo and colors for a memorable unboxing experience. Idea 5, your online store. As you bask in the success of your subscription box service, you start to think about expanding your empire. And that's when the idea strikes. Why not curate your very own online store? Imagine having a unique niche store that sells funky t-shirts or any other cool products you're passionate about. The apparel and fashion industry has seen tremendous success in this arena, with big names like Shein and Gymshark leading the way. You can create an online store using platforms like Shopify, Wix, or Squarespace. Personalize it with your brand colors and set up eye-catching product images. If you wish to go extra mile to provide an unmatched experience to your customers, use no-code platforms like Bubble or Zoho Creator to build personalized mobile apps with your brand name. Idea number 6, online course creator. So we have discussed 5 different ideas so far, but didn't you wish there was a course to teach you like how to run businesses like a pro? Well, many people out there world love to have courses on a wide range of topics, and here's where you come in. If you're passionate and knowledgeable about a particular subject or a skill, you can become an online course creator. The revenue in this market is projected to reach a mind-boggling $166 billion in 2023. Imagine being an online course creator, empowering others to succeed while generating passive income for yourself. Identify your expertise and target audience, create engaging and informative content, and host and sell your courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. You'll be making a difference while building your success. Which of these 6 ideas do you think sounds the most profitable? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more such content, and I'll see you soon.